machine gun over there somewhere. Watch out. Is tower clear? Who's up top?
Everybody's up top.
Green. Coming up.
Gunner on the roof.
I'll push it further in.
Okay. Maybe. Watch out, we do have a machine gun over there somewhere. Towards the tree line. Where'd Eric run off to? Keep watching that side there, might flank up on us. I got no eyes. Contact in the open! Who's down there? Gotcha. I think I got two that were over there. Not entirely sure. Just keep rotating. I see him. Yo, I'm moving down. Oh, come on. Where the hell are they at? Shit, I'm good. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. I'm coming up.
Too many trees in the way, man. There's one right here, Sam. I'm tracing it.
All right, I'm looking this right side because they're...
Straight ahead. Reloading.
I don't see him.
He's behind everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Define everything.
The bushes you can't shoot
I
through.
see him. Maybe. Oh shit, I can't see him. Who's down there?
Who's down there? Sam, watch your back.
Green underneath, gotcha.
Green underneath. Sam. Here's your bushes.
Where? I don't know where Iris is. I want to shoot her. Where they at? We got two pushing from that direction hard. I'm going to try and get an angle. I don't see him. Yeah, there's a fire port down there. I see him! I don't want to hit the dog. She's in the way.
Are they behind that cover?
Yeah. They're behind the far cover. started shooting at our greens. I see pink! Behind the hay bale! Whoa, I think we got people coming up. Below us. I thought I heard people in the woods. Shit. Oh, he's hit. There's